This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: allow the engine to cool completely before attempting to remove any spark plugs. These engines are equipped with aluminum cylinder heads, which can be damaged if spark plugs are removed when the engine is hot. Check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps. Insert the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. The gap between the electrodes should be 31 thousandths of an inch. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrodes slightly until the proper gap is obtained. Disconnect the air filter outlet duct. Then disconnect the hoses and electrical connector from the evap canister purge valve. Remove the purge valve mounting stud and move the assembly out of the way. Disconnect the other end of the duct and remove it from the engine. All models are equipped with individual ignition coils, which must be removed first to access the spark plugs. Disconnect the electrical connector, remove the coil retaining bolt, then pull the coil straight up to remove it. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place the spark plug socket over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the new spark plug threads. Slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place. Install one of the new plugs into the hole until you can no longer turn it with your fingers. Then tighten it with a torque wrench. Torque the spark plugs to 106 inch-pounds. Install the ignition coil. Tighten the mounting fasteners and reconnect the electrical connector. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs.